Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow, starting with creating a new invitee in Calendly, and then automating sending a channel message in Slack. Let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here, as always, at the workload editor. I'm going to give my workflow a title. So this is going to be Calendly to Slack. I'm going to click in my top node for my trigger, and I'm going to select the app, Calendly. And the event I'm going to select is invitee created. So this workflow will trigger whenever I create a new invitee in Calendly. I'll select my Calendly account, and then I'm going to test this trigger. And we have a response. So we have a new invitee that we found created in Calendly. So then we can click continue at the bottom of that window. And now we have our action step, and this is going to be in Slack. And we are going to send a channel message. Click continue, connect to my Slack account. The channel that I want this message sent to is going to be my test channel. And the bot name, I'm going to say, is the name of that invitee. And then the message is going to be their email address and the start time of the event. Okay, and then I'm going to click continue. We are going to test that action. And that was a success. So we can go ahead and click continue. And then I can peek over at my Slack channel. And I can see here that new invitee sent a message with their email address and the time of the appointment that they were invited to. So I'm going to hop back over to the workload editor. If I'm happy with this workflow, both of my nodes are green, then I can activate it by turning on the workflow. That's the simple process of building a workflow that automates sending a channel message in Slack whenever you create a new invitee in Calendly. Please like and subscribe to this video to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly, and I'll see you next time.